Hi, my name is Dr. Jon Evans and I work with ProTailored Physical Therapy here in Fort Wayne, Indiana. And I'm going to teach you the best 3 exercises for wrist pain. Take your wrist and go just distal to the bony prominence on your wrist. You're going to grip it like this, you're going to squeeze, and then you're going to pull away and then bend down. So go just distal to this bone, squeeze nice and tight, pull away, and bend your wrist down. Do that 5 to 8 times until you feel like your wrist is moving better and that pain has calmed down. Bring your hand up onto the wall, elbows straight, get your palm flat against the wall, and I'm facing directly towards the wall. Now I'm going to turn my wrist away from my thumb upside down, and then I'm going to turn away from my wrist. I'm going to hold it there for a second or two, I'm going to turn back, I'm going to rotate my hand back up, and then I'm going to go out to my fingertips, and I'm just going to keep going back and forth for 30 times. And just remember, you don't have to hold it for a long period of time, it's just a matter of moving through that stretch repetitively. I'm going to give you guys the quick rundown on how to scrape yourselves for your wrist pain with a knife and some lotion. So I already put some lotion on my wrist. We're going to use the dull end of a knife. Now what we're trying to do is increase circulation and break up any adhesions and overload the nerve receptors so then the pain calms down. So all you're going to do is small little quick strokes only on the back part of your wrist. You don't want to do it on the front, or else you got some important nerves and other things there that you don't want to mess with. So you're just moving nice and fast. You're going to spend about 30 to 45 seconds just scraping the back part of your wrist. If you notice, I turn the knife at about a 45-degree angle, and you should start noticing that your skin starts to turn red. Shouldn't be extremely painful, but after about 30 to 45 seconds, you'll notice that it starts to go a little numb and it's not quite as painful. That's it. Alright guys, I hope that information was useful for you. Please let us know if you have any questions, comments, or any new topics that you'd like us to cover in our next video. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can get updated on our new videos that come out. And lastly, if you'd like to schedule an appointment at ProTailored Physical Therapy in Fort Wayne, Indiana, you can call us at 260-739-0300, or you can visit us online at www.protailored.com. Thanks.